Alright guys, let's take a quick look at Uniswap on the channel once again. Now, last time we looked at Uniswap, it was having a good day. Back on the 11th of December. It even got the next day, quite a large green candle with a large wick though in the end. Now, we do have resistance basically right here on the weekly time frame at $18.33. And we were trying to break out of the Fibonacci level. So we got a rejection, and we continued down. We broke through two levels of support. However, yesterday, we did find support on the Fibonacci here, this lowest, Fibonacci level, and where we spent so much time in the past. And yeah, we did get quite a large bounce, although today we are a little bit down. We are up about 4.3% as of this recording. So let's see what happens. We did try to break through the $14.25 mark. We just weren't able to do it today. Now, looking at this on a weekly time frame, I would like to see this candle at least get up to $14.30, cross this line, and even better would be almost $16, guys, but probably not going to happen. Let's see where we get support. It's not too far off that we could, get a bounce here. It is 80 cents or so to the upside to kind of save this support here. So let's see what happens, guys. Now, like I said in the past, once we get above about $20.70, I have a rocket ship here, so I do believe that is where Uniswap is going to start to really take off. Now, looking at the tokenomics of Uniswap, guys, it is 1 billion max supply. So about 60% of this is circulating at the moment. And if we look at the all-time high, guys, it was almost $45 over 3 years ago. I do remember that. I sold some, I think around $40 actually. But I had a very, very small amount, not near as much as I have now. Now, it is 70% on sale. So it is, maybe one of the better tokens to buy at this moment just because it's so on sale. And yeah, I mean, I believe, the SEC is going to drop their case against them probably, after Trump takes office next month. Have to wait and see, guys. But once that happens, I do believe this will, probably rocket up quite a bit. And, that'll give Uniswap some freedom to move finally. Now let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin has had kind of a doji little day. It's been down, it's been up. It's been up as high as $99,540, guys. It's trying to break this weekly resistance here. You can see we pretty much got stuck under it yesterday. Even today we tried to push through. Now the good sign is that we did have kind of a big wick here. So let's see if we can push through this. Preferably would be Monday, so we don't create another CME gap. And actually someone mentioned on another influencer's channel that there was a CME gap down at 92,000. So basically it looks like yesterday that probably got filled if that was true. So that is cleared, although we still have quite large gap from I think 76,000 up to I don't even know where, guys. It's quite a big one though. It's several $1,000s. Now, taking a quick look at the dominance, this is what is really killing us at the moment. If you're holding altcoins like myself, you can see that basically, this trend line was broken as of pretty much last night at around midnight. And I put a post on my YouTube here about this, breaking this trend line. And yeah, I mean, we even sealed two candles down. It wasn't just like one like here or one like here. We sealed even two candles down, but yet have gotten the bounce. And that's really killing alts, guys. I mean, it's headed up again, up here maybe to this top. And it could even hit this trend line. This was a long-term trend line that we had that held us up until we had this massive crash. And, we went down, like 5 or 6, 6%, almost 7%, guys. So right now, from the top up here, we are only down like a little bit more than 2.5%. So that's why we're suffering, guys. Nothing we can do. We have to be patient. This is not the end. Don't worry. Alt will surge at some point. However, you know, Bitcoin dominance is just going back up. That's the thing. Hopefully we can hold under 59% here, which is this line. Now we do have 2.5 hours on this candle. It's very possible. You can see that it did get rejected in the last 4-hour candle, but it has since made a higher, you know, high here, so that's not a good thing. Now, taking a look at Ethereum, basically you can see this is the weekly time frame. We are still holding about $3,300, $3,313 actually on this support, and we are maintaining this Fibonacci level, so that's still good, but we were above this Fibonacci and the next Fibonacci level, so you know, we're not going to reclaim that, you know, today or probably tomorrow, unfortunately. So we just need to work our way back up. Now, on the daily time frame, I talked about this yesterday, but basically we did break the structure, and if I zoom out here, you'll kind of see we kind of made a M pattern here. We broke down, and basically we caught support all the way down at about 3,100, almost flat, guys. So yeah, let's see what happens now. Ethereum is going back down again, so that is why the dominance is, you know, going you know, up for Bitcoin. Basically the alts are following Ethereum. Now as for altcoin season, guys, basically we are still maintaining above these two peaks here at 46, I believe, and yeah, we're at 49 right now. Let's see what happens. Hopefully, you know, we stay above these peaks. That was my theory all along. I thought we were going to maintain it, maybe get a bounce. So we just have to be patient. So fear and greed, guys, I'm surprised. 73. Let me refresh this just to see if I didn't refresh this. Okay, yeah, I did refresh this, so it is 73. So I'm really surprised it's 73. You know, I'm expecting even lower, especially with all this crashing, guys. Now, the Pi Cycle Top Indicator, guys, pretty much still the same. I can even zoom in a little bit more. You can see it's curving up, but yeah, we're still far away, guys. Now, economic calendar, basically this week, actually next week, sorry, we do have consumer confidence on Monday. That is pretty important, guys. I do think if we get good numbers, that will help Bitcoin and it will boost it. Now, Tuesday, I know many places the 24th is a holiday, but we have core durable goods and durable goods on Tuesday, so that's quite important. Now, Wednesday is a holiday. Thursday, jobless claims, not too important. And Friday, we just have some HPI. That's not important as well so much. Mainly Monday and Tuesday, guys. Very important for, you know, what Jerome Powell is going to decide in the future. Now, one last thing, guys. Taking a look at crypto bubbles, you can see there are a few winners here. These bigger ones are new projects that were in the launch pool in Binance. However, you do have things like Core and Theta, you know, 6% up. So, yeah, Bonk is 7%. You know, we have some small winners, but a lot of small losers across the market, too. You know, like I said, it's up to Bitcoin, you know, in the dominance, guys. So, be patient, hang in there. Don't look at the portfolio too much. Go outside with your family. And, yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.